Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are reviewing a TENS massager. Let's show you guys what you get inside the package. So this is what it looks like. Standard TENS massager. On the top here, you can turn it on. You also charge it by pulling this flap over and charge it with a USB cable. Right here you see that you have back mode. Press any button and it will light up the screen here. You got your back mode, you got shoulder pain, lifting weights, treadmill, massage, and for your back and your lower body and also your upper body. So what you do is you select mode. By pressing mode, you can go through each individual ones and you can pick. Once you pick it, you can select the setting, A or B, whatever you have your pads plugged into. You can select how long with the timer. And once you're ready, you press and hold this to lock it in place. You can press and hold that again to unlock it so you can move it around. Let's go ahead and show you what else you get inside the box. You get a nice carrying pouch. You get 4 square pads. So these pads get connected to the cables. 4 more and 4 more. So you get 4, 8, 12 square pads. You get the charging outlet plug. There's a manual inside. So this is the device you're going to want to watch and read your manual. So this is what you would use to charge your device. These are the cables that you're going to connect. So for each side, you would plug this in just like that. And then each individual one gets connected to your TENS pads here. So these pads are just sticky. So they stick on your body. So the gray would be on your skin. And then you would simply connect each one like this. And then you have the different settings. Please refer to your manual for more information. But it's that simple.